Abarai bechi kanisa ni go baganirie abakenya kwenekia buno butwereru ngo chabure chinka kechi chikura chabere chikoera na boigo emerubirinde menge eganirie guchiko chaka para yabo ni go batebribuna ni go bagucha kwenekia buno murai omochore muske William Ruto umurai ucho soka kurwa bisi muske Uhuru Kenyatta na boigo umurai bo mobwazi miola umoja one Kenya muske Raila Odinga ni go bakiramo babwatane na kwenekia buno murembe guchiko genderori meyense ya Kenya
are concerned with the apparent disunity among the commissioners. We have in this regard reached out to the commissioners with them as we pray with them and listen with them to a view of finding out amicable way of going forward.
We have consistently said that if there is any disagreement in the matter to do with elections in this country, our constitution and our laws have provided channels through which one can pursue their grievances. We already met with the deputy president, who is now president-elect, in terms of engaging with him just to hear his thoughts on how is he going to bring and promote peace and cohesion in our country that is obviously divided 50-50 if the election results are to be understood.
Ayo kagendrete omurai wiki makia ODM na wigo mamuri wazimiola umoja one Kenya.